Dr. Greger. So, Dr. Michael Greger, I wish I could see this guy as a friend. We've only hung out, for a day. We hosted him at our event. I mean, I want him as a friend. He's so fun. He's great. He's cool. He's funny. And he is just an encyclopedia botanical garden. He is so smart. All he does with his life, besides speaking and making videos, is researching nutritional science. He teaches nutritional education. He's a part of the PCRM, which is the Physicians Committee for Responsible Medicine. He just got rewarded one of the few doctors to be licensed or certified for plant-based nutrition. I don't know. He's making moves. Founder of nutritionfacts.org. I can't wait to host him again at one of our OCDeli events. But I just his website could be treated like the Google for nutrition. Nutritionfacts.org. Go in, type in a keyword. If you're looking for ingredients or if you're looking for an organ or a disease, you'll be able to find videos that he has been logging, daily videos, for a decade. And so he's full of energy, not stopping anytime soon, and witty, charming, fun, and encouraging. So have fun with this playlist. Go deep, but don't stop there, and we'll see you on the other side.